This is the Dell laptop came in like with a broken hinge on the right side. Client came in, mentioned that I fixed it before. I did a check the record. I fixed the left side hinge, this side hinge, July 2022. And you see after about 9 months, the right side hinge, which was okay last year, now is broken. So I repaired the right side hinge. And yeah, certainly I give my lovely client a good discount for this kind of situation. Looks like the hinge like take turns to broke. Yeah, now it's in good shape.